Welcome back. Task Force has submitted the draft investment policy to CM Manohar Parrikar. Policy document has suggested an investment promotion board to scrutinize various investment proposals. Policy has also suggested use of inland waterways for transportation of material. It also incorporates provisions like 80% employment for skilled Goans or no subsidy for the investors. Policy will be kept open for public suggestions till 5th September.
The task force headed by Atul Kane briefed media on Wednesday. Kane said investment policy will offer incentives to those industries who employ 80% of skilled Goans for minimum period of 9 years. Incentives will discontinue within a year if industries discontinue the services of Goans.
To use our waterways, inland waterways and the coastal waterways to decrease the traffic off the road and to make cost of logistics into and outside of Goa, taking outside of Goa cheaper. Here you want to continuously employ them over a period of 7 to 9 years if you want to receive your incentive.
Only Goan-friendly industries will be allowed to set up its units in Goa.
जे skill sets आमच्याकडे आसात आणि आमचे thrust area आम्ही completely define केल्ले आसात. खंयच्या एरियान आमकां मनीस जाय, लोक जाय म्हणटा ते. सो गायडलायन दिल्ले आसात कन्सल्टंट अपॉइंट करता आसतनाच की ह्या गायडलायना प्रमाणे ताणें स्कोरिंग करपाचें. 1 to 10 स्कोरिंग केलें. तर आमी डिसाइड केलें की 60% सकयल इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रमोशन बोर्डाक वचचेंच ना केस. Unless you score more than 60%, you cannot go to investment promotion board. So your case is rejected.
The proposed investment policy will fetch investment up to 25,000 crores for a period of 5 years and employment generation for 50,000 locals, with a thrust on Goan-friendly industries. Reporter Mahesh Kari with video journalist Omkar Falari for Prudent.
Simplification of construction procedures and regulations in Panchayat areas are the major challenges before the government. Panchayati Raj Minister Lakshmikant Parrikar said this while speaking at the block level meeting at Madgaon on Tuesday. Government is also contemplating to amend Goa Panchayat Raj Act 1994 during next assembly session.
त्यामुळे तिथले आता लीगलाइज जाऊन जाय आणि आमकां काळजी घेवंक जाय की फुडें परत इल्लीगल कन्स्ट्रक्शन्स वाडची नाही ती लीगलाइज जावंक जाय जेतूनसून रेव्हेन्यू वाडोवंक जाय पंचायतीचो सरकारचो इल्लीगल कन्स्ट्रक्शनां करपाक उद्युक्त करणारे कायदे जे आसा ते सिम्प्लिफाय जावंक जाय म्हाका दिसता सिम्प्लिफिकेशन ऑफ कन्स्ट्रक्शन प्रोसिजर दॅट इज मोस्ट चॅलेंजिंग टास्क before this government.
This was his first ever interaction with the Sarpanchas, Deputy Sarpanchas and the Panchas of the Salset block. Panchayat members raised various issues.
Finance Commission report. You see in that report, we are supposed to get 10% funds, 300 crores. So where is the 300 crores and 30 crores? This is what we are on the point of. So I'm sure it is you who have to fight with the CM for us. You are going to fight for 300 crores and automatically all the Panchayats and Zilla Panchayats will get the funds.
Pratik Parab for Prudent.
A delegation led by the Truck Owners Association, machine owners and barge owners met Sonia Gandhi on Wednesday seeking financial package for mining ban affected people. Congress President Sonia Gandhi has assured to speak to Finance Minister P. Chidambaram on the issue. Earlier on Tuesday, they also met the Congress Observer for Goa, Digvijay Singh. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.